Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So today we will continue and complete our last topic which we have learned in last lecture, Ampere's circuital law. So today we will calculate magnetic field due to current carrying solenoid. This is field, magnetic field that is produced due to the passage of current through a solenoid. So first of all we will discuss and understand what is solenoid. Always remember, you know about a wire. When I say wire, you understand easily what is a wire and what its shape. Okay, when I say a coil, you understand coil are round shape like a bangles. While now solenoid, if a number of coils join together, they make a solenoid. A solenoid is a long टाइटली वाउंड सख्ती के साथ इसको लपेटा गया है, टाइटली वाउंड सिलेंड्रिकल कॉयल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ सिलेंडर ऑफ वायर. ओके, एंड it consists of a number of coils. For example, there are a lot of coils. It is a coil, one coil. Okay, when I have joined two coils, three coil, 4, 5, 6 and so on in this way. So a solenoid is a long tightly wound cylindrical coil of wire, and when current passes through such a coil, when it is attached to a battery, when current passes through a coil, it behaves like a bar magnet. Bar magnet means its one side behave as a north pole and other side behave as a south pole, and the magnetic field, and it has magnetic field is produced in this. Now we will discuss which type of magnetic field is present here. When current passes through a solenoid, magnetic field lines represent magnetic field. They are originating from north pole and terminate to south pole. So this diagram shows the type of magnetic field which is produced. This is inside magnetic field and that are outside magnetic field. And always remember, the strength of magnetic field inside is uniform and strong, while the magnetic field outside the solenoid is weak and can be ignored. Okay. So to calculate the value of magnetic field B, we will use Ampere's circuital law. And do you have remember what is Ampere's law? Yes, tell me please. Very good. B dot delta L is equal to mu naught I. And in the form of summation, in last topic we have learned that R is equal to 1 to N. B dot delta L into R is equal to mu naught I. Yesterday we have discussed it. Yes, yesterday we have learned Ampere's law, that is R is equal to 1 to N, B dot delta L into R. This R show maybe it is 1, 2, 3, R, any number, okay, is equal to mu naught I. This is Ampere's law. So with the help of this law, we will calculate today field due to a current carrying solenoid. So always remember it, learn it. What is Ampere's circuit law? This is known as Ampere's law, right? Now be attentive, dear students. So to calculate the value of magnetic field, this is magnetic field lines which show magnetic field. We have considered a rectangular loop, and we have put it inside the magnetic field in this form. इमेजिन करना है आपने, ठीक है, कि हमने मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर वी हैव पुट अ रेक्टेंगुलर लूप नेम्ड A B C D A. In this way, one side AB lies inside the uniform magnetic field and two sides lies half inside magnetic and half outside, half inside, half outside, and the fourth side is totally lies outside the field. Okay, there are four sides and their length delta L is divided into four length element L1, L2, L3 एंड L4. लेंथ एलिमेंट वैसे ही नेम दे देते हैं ना, लेंथ्स में हमने उस लंबाई कहते हैं लेंथ, तो उसके डिफरेंट लेंथ में हमने उसको डिवाइड कर लिया, L1, L2, L3 एंड 4. एंड नाउ वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू कैलकुलेट दी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड थ्रू ऑल दीज एलिमेंट्स. ओके, so first of all we are going to discuss about AB side. You can say here the length L1 going from A to B is parallel to these magnetic field line. So it means the angle between L1 and B, LB cos theta, cos 0, LB cos 0, and it will L1B, LB cos 0 is 1, So it means L1B is equal to L1B cos 0 is equal to L1B. It gives maximum value. Okay. Now keep in mind the Ampere's law, that is B dot delta L is equal to mu naught I. In place of B dot delta L, we have written here B dot L1, B dot L2, B dot L3, B dot L4, right? And along L2, you can see here the length element from B to C, going from B to C, becomes perpendicular to field lines. So the angle theta between L2 and B is 0 degree. Okay, L2 and B, cos 90 0, right? And same case is here along AD. The length is going from D to A and it is L4. It is perpendicular to magnetic field line and it has value cos 0. Why? Because theta is 90 and cos 90 is 0, right? And the L3 is lies away from the outside the field, so there is 0 value. Okay, there is no magnetic field, as it is very weak magnetic field, that is ignored, right? So the field is maximum along, so the value we have calculated maximum is along only the side, that is lth element L1 and side is AB. Now simple Ampere's law. Now put values of all. B dot delta L1, this is maximum L1B, B dot delta 2 0 0 0 is equal to mu naught I. करंट इनक्लोज, दिस इज करंट इनक्लोज्ड. अब यहाँ पे आई क्यों नहीं राइट किया? क्वेश्चन इज हियर. क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये है क्योंकि वो जो आई हम राइट करते थे, हमने वहाँ पे लिया था जस्ट एक लूप की बात की थी, एक वायर थी हमारे पास सिंगल, लेकिन यहाँ अब हमारे पास एक सिंगल वायर नहीं है, यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ लूप्स हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ इसको पहले अंडरस्टैंड करना होगा. करंट इनक्लोज, बट वी विल राइट इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन प्लेस ऑफ करंट इनक्लोज्ड. करंट इनक्लोज की जगह पर हम पहले क्या करेंगे, जितने भी यहाँ पे कॉइल्स हैं, पहले हम एक कॉइल लेंगे. ये हमारे पास कॉइल आ गई. इसकी हम लेंथ देखेंगे, लेंथ कितनी है इसकी. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल इसकी लेंथ आ जाती है 5 सेंटीमीटर. और यहाँ पे टोटल जितनी ये कॉइल्स हैं जिनके मिलके ये हमारा सोलिनॉइड बना है, सपोज़ मैं कह देती हूँ कि ये 20 हैं, दीज आर 20. सो फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इस 20 के साथ इस 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 20 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमारे पास 100 आएगा. इट मीन्स कि ये जो हमारे पास इसकी टोटल लेंथ सोलिनॉइड की है वो 100 सेंटीमीटर है. ठीक, यानी हम राइट करेंगे फार्मूले में NL1. ये क्या है, ये L1 है, यानी फर्स्ट हमने कोई लूप लिया, उसकी हमने लेंथ राइट की 5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, और 20 क्या थे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ लूप्स, इसमें 20 थे. 20 के साथ हमने 5 को मल्टीप्लाई किया. 5 क्या है, ये L1 है, और 20 क्या है, ये N है. NL1, N 20, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स 20, L1 इज़ द लेंथ ऑफ ईच लूप, NL1, राइट. और हर लूप में से करंट कितना पास कर रहा है, दैट इज़ I. सो हम यहाँ राइट NL1I. सो दिस इज़ द टोटल करंट पासिस थ्रू द सोलिनॉइड. NL1I, N इज़ नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स, L1 इज़ द लेंथ ऑफ ईच लूप एंड I इज़ द करंट पासिंग थ्रू ईच लूप. जब एक लूप में से I करंट पास कर रहा है तो N नंबर्स जब मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे टोटल करंट हमारे पास आ जाएगा. ठीक है, as I have told you, B dot delta L1 is equal to N1B cos 0, L1B cos 0 1, and B L3, B dot delta L3 0, B dot delta L2 is equal to B dot delta L4 is equal to 0, while so the only sigma r 1 to 4, B dot delta L rth means maybe 1 2 3 or 4 is equal to B L1 is equal to mu naught I into current enclosed. And I have told you, so what is the value of current enclosed? I have explained how can you write NL1I in place of this current enclosed. So you have final formula, BL1 is equal to mu naught into NL1I. L1 is cancelled out with this L1, B is equal to mu naught I. Okay, so with the help of this formula you can calculate the field due to a current carrying solenoid. And last one is that the field is along the axis of the solenoid and its direction is given by right hand. This is your right hand. Okay, for example, this is this pencil is solenoid. So now hold this solenoid in your right hand. This is the right hand grip rule, which states hold the solenoid in the right hand with fingers curling in the direction of the current. My fingers in the direction of current Okay, this is direction of current, and thumb will point in the direction of the field. So with the help of, this is right hand, with the help of right hand grip rule you can easily calculate the direction of the current, and the thumb will point in the direction of the field, right. अपना सीधा हाथ आपने रखना है, उसमें कोई पेंसिल लें, वो जो पेंसिल है वो आपकी सोलिनॉइड होगी, ऐसे क्लोज करेंगे फिंगर्स को, तो ये जो आपकी कर्लिंग फिंगर्स होंगी ये किसको शो करेंगी, ये डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट को शो करेंगे, करंट इस तरफ जा रहा है ऐसे, ओके। और ये थंब है ये आपका शो करेगा डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फील्ड को, यानी नॉर्थ साउथ पोल जो है वो उसके अंदर जो फील्ड बना है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, बेसिकली करंट आपने पास किया, कुछ करंट की वजह से फील्ड बना ना। सो होप सो यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक नाउ। So now learn the topic attentively. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.